Hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I will continue with my shopping series where I bought the chicken, all the seafood, and the spare ribs videos. But today I'm going to start another series, and it's called the Dollar Tree series. The Dollar Tree series. I'm learning more and more what great deals you can get at Dollar Tree. And please don't overlook the Dollar Tree when it comes to your grocery shopping first. I can save anywhere from $20 and up a week if I start at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes even more depending on what I need. So today let me introduce you to my Dollar Tree find today, and this is going to be a food review. Okay, so all of the food that I got today will be under the Dollar Tree food review series. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first one I have is, it's called Golden Crust Jamaican Style Mild Beef Patty. Jamaican Style Mild Beef Patty. And they're calling it Golden Crust. So I'm going to taste that and compare the difference between this one, the mild beef patty one, and this one, Jamaican Style Beef Patty. Okay, so the instruction says to put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. I did that, and when I did that, it came out, but it wasn't crispy. It was more soft, and I want it more crispy, so I put it in the oven for about 10 minutes on 450 degrees, both of them. Okay, so let's taste the difference in the two, shall we? First, I'm going to taste the mild beef patty. So this is it. I put it in the oven after the 2 minutes in the microwave. So let me just cut it in half. Okay, I cut it in half. That's what we're looking like. Let me take a taste. The mild beef patty do have a little kick to it. Okay, it's not overbearing, but it definitely have a kick to it. Okay, and because I put it in the oven, you can see all the flaky layers here, right? It's because I put it in the oven, it has that crispy taste. Let me take a bite and you listen. You hear that? Let me squeeze the beef out so you can see. See the beef? I like the beef. It's soft. The crust is flaky. It has a very, very nice taste. I like the mild Jamaican beef patty. Okay. And now, let me take a taste of the spicy beef patty. So remember, we're doing mild beef patty versus spicy. Okay? Okay, so that's the mild. Let me taste the spicy. Now I know when I eat something really, really spicy, it sets off something in me, and it makes me want to cough right away. So I hope that I don't cough this time. And by the way, you know everything in Dollar Tree costs $1. Everything in the entire store. Now, if you're really pressed on money and you're trying to cut your grocery bill down, which is what I've been talking about for the last couple of weeks, you might want to definitely consider a couple of those meals from the Dollar Tree, because you can make a meal inexpensively. Alright, so these cost $1 each. If I was doing a meal for 4, maybe I would get 6 of them. 1 for each child, which is 2 children, and then 2 for each adult. That would be $6 for a meal. How about that, huh? Okay, so this is the spicy beef. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely spicy, guys. Let me drink something. Spicy but good. Mmm, so good. I'm gonna have to take another bite. Oh, my. Delicious. Mmm. Oh, wow. I'm gonna take a drink because my mouth is definitely hot from the spicy one. So another good point in buying the beef patties from the Dollar Tree is you can mix up the variety. You know, if you buy it at the grocery store, they're all in one package and everybody has to eat the same kind. But if you like spicy and somebody else like mild, you can mix and match at the Dollar Tree and everybody will be happy. So we're going to call this $6 a meal for a family of 4 at the Dollar Tree. Okay? Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? I usually don't do that when I do talk shows, but I feel like giving you one today. 1 second. Okay, I have a good one for you. The word of the day. The word of the day is, when your money is short, shop at the Dollar Tree. When you want to save some money, shop at the Dollar Tree. When you want to stretch a buck, go to the Dollar Tree. When you want to show others how to survive by being an example yourself, go shop at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has what you need, not necessarily what you want. And why not eat based on what you need, which is nourishment? Okay, how about that? This is the word of the day. The Dollar Tree. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Alright, so this is going to conclude this video. And my point of the video is to show you that, again, you can shop around. You don't have to always think grocery store when you're buying food, because there are other stores that do sell food within their store and it may not be a grocery store. So, lesson learned. We can stretch a buck in many ways. Okay, starting with the Dollar Tree. Okay, talk to you soon. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.